What's up, y'all? I just learned that my little niece Susanna learned how to ride her bike, and I am very proud of her for that. Good job, Susanna. And I know she loves to read, so I thought today for our bike ride video we would do a library tour in Santa Fe. So we'll go downtown to the main library, and then we'll go to Lafarge, that's like in the neighborhood that Aunt Callie and I live in, and then we'll go to the Southside branch. That's the one that Aunt Callie works at. So proud of you, Susanna. And oh, this is going to be a longer ride, so we'll do it more like a time lapse instead of me talking over it. So yeah, see y'all on the other side. Yeah, so here's the main library branch, the Santa Fe Public Library. And the trail that we took, even though it was next to a river, is called the River Trail, but it is not the Arroyo Trail, which is the one that I showed off the other time. But now, yeah, now I guess we'll just go through Santa Fe and go into Callie and I's neighborhood. We'll show you the next library. we made it to the Lafarge Library. This is the one that's right in our neighborhood, right by our house. You can see the Sangre de Cristo Mountains back there. Santa Fe sits right next to those mountains, and they go all the way up to Colorado. All right, next we'll go to the South Side Branch, and that's where Kelly works. All right, we made it to the Southside Library, and that's gonna complete the ride. Susanna, I'm real proud of you for learning to ride your bike and how much you love to read, and hopefully we can all get together soon after all this virus stuff is over. But I'll catch y'all next time.